Hola clase, espero que todos estén bien. En este video vamos a hablar sobre lo que tienen que entregar para esta semana. Vamos a empezar con el course outline para ver las tareas que tienen que entregar. Ya vamos para la semana 5. Aquí estamos en semana 5. Estamos terminando con el capítulo 2. Tienen que entregar el Learn Smart Connect para el miércoles y para el domingo tienen que hacer las tareas y la primera prueba con un compañero o una compañera. Bien, así que vamos a ver en Connect lo que hay que hacer. Okay, I'm going to go to our Connect site. For student view. Okay, so the next activities that we need to complete are the Chapter 2 in La Universidad, the Learn Smart. This will be due by Wednesday. And then the lectures that you can use, the grammar tutorials, they can be found in the textbook as well as the lectures that I record. So when you see on your course outline that it says to watch the grammar tutorials, what I'm referring to are when you go to your textbook, capítulo 2, gramática, and you see these tutorials that are embedded in the book itself. Go a little bit down so we can find the first one. This one might not have it. Oh, I skipped right past it. Aquí está. Here. Singular nouns, gender, and articles. And you can see it's very short. This one is just 3 minutes long. Okay, and so you'll be completing those for each of the grammar exercises that you complete. So you have this one, which is people, places, and things. Grammar 2, which is continued. Expressing actions, getting information. They each have a different grammar tutorial that goes with it. And like I said, they're very short. And then I also review with you guys the grammar for each chapter, and that can be found under recorded lectures. Okay, so that's what you can use to help you complete the tareas. And then the tareas are here. Chapter 2, grammar. Okay, then you'll go into quiz 1 with your partner. This is the first time that we're completing it with a partner. Okay, so when you go into the quiz, it's going to be due on Sunday. You will complete these activities with your partner, and you will go in to the start assignment so that you can record with your partner. So you and your partner need to discuss a time that works for the both of you to meet before Sunday to get this completed. If you're having any questions about who your partner is, you can find their information by going to course content, partners for quizzes. Okay, this should give you their names. So you'll see all of the names for everybody that's in our class here. You'll go to send email. You'll look for their name. Okay, select their name into the selected category so that you can send them an email to get their information, so you guys can talk about when is a good time to meet, or you guys can collaborate through email. Okay, so any of those works. Please make sure you are working on that this week, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me.